Pros and cons of wall tiling in the living room. Dear friends, wall tiling in the living room has become a popular design trend, especially for creating stylish feature walls. Before choosing tiles, it's important to understand both the advantages and limitations. One major pros of wall tiling is durability. Tiles are long-lasting and resistant to scratches, moisture, and stains. This makes them ideal for homes with kids or pets, where walls are more likely to get dirty or damaged. Another advantage is easy maintenance. Unlike painted walls, tiled surfaces can be cleaned easily with a damp cloth. They don't fade quickly and maintain their look for many years. Wall tiles also offer design versatility. From stone look and wood finish tiles to textured and 3D designs, tiles can instantly elevate the aesthetics of your living room and create a luxurious feel. However, there are some cons to consider. One drawback is the cost. Quality wall tiles and professional installation can be more expensive than simple paint or wallpaper. Another concern is visual heaviness. Overusing tiles on multiple walls may make the living room feel cold or less welcoming, especially in smaller spaces. Lastly, tiles are permanent. Changing the design later is difficult and involves extra labor and cost compared to repainting walls. In conclusion, wall tiling works best when used thoughtfully, especially on accent walls, to balance style, comfort, and practicality in your living room. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.